In this video, we would like to show you how easy it is to modify an order after it has been placed. You can quickly correct dimensions, update details, add new products, or remove items from your existing order. Click on My Orders. Find the order that requires changes. Once you locate the order, you can either open it directly or simply click the correction arrow. After clicking Correction, confirm the process in the pop-up window. This will move the order from the processing stage into the correction stage, where you can make the necessary updates. Now you will be able to change the order. Click the pen icon to open the order. Then add any missing details or make changes if necessary, for example, order number. Add comments if any, for example to highlight special instructions or additional requirements, or simply to note what changes were made and for what purpose. Then change the delivery type if necessary, such as collection or door delivery, or if you have changed your mind and decided to take the offcuts with your order. Next, you can change the dimensions of the panels already in your order. Simply enter the new size or adjust the edging side where it needs to be applied. After all changes have been made, click the Calculate button and wait a few seconds for the changes to be applied. Finally, double-check all the details, including the estimated price and the board cut optimization diagram, to ensure everything is correct before proceeding. After everything has been checked and confirmed to be correct, you can simply proceed by clicking the Order button to submit the order for processing. Job done. All changes have now been applied and received by our team. In this video, we have shown you how easy it is to change order details in just a few simple steps.